Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. One of my favorite things to do is create a night scene with a moon. So I'm going to do that today. I thought I'd use the Dreamy Witch by Not Too Shabby. Since I had these two images already colored up, she is just so adorable. I have her in a skin tone and then in the green face. So you could do her any way you like. She looks cute both ways. I also have a mask if I need it, and I'm going to use the picket fence circle stencil, and I am just going to, I was thinking about putting some washi tape to hold my circle in place, but sometimes the washi tape rips my cardstock, so I have this great mat by Wendy Vecchi, and it's called the Wendy Vecchi Make Art. It's a metal mat. I have it in my Amazon store, which is linked down below. And I like it because it comes with some magnets and you can hold your stencil in place and then stencil around the moon here. So I'm going to hold the bottom, since I'm not going to be inking right now at the bottom. And just going to ink around this stencil, and I want to create like a glow, so I'm going to use a lighter color first. I'm going to start off with the shaded lilac. So this is going to be the color for the glow that's around the moon, and I'm just going to shade it like around. Now I'm going to work my way to the darker colors. Let's see, I'm going to use Seedless Preserve. This one's a really dark color. So I might even want to transition from pink to purple. So I'm going to put this on the outer, leave a little space there for my pink color. And I'm working on Bristol's smooth paper. Okay, I've got sponge sugar. I'm just going to mix that with the purple. And kind of go right in between those two colors there. Now I'm going to go in with a darker purple, Wilted Violet, then we're going to really darken this up and put in some Blueprint Sketch. I'm just coming in from the sides, blending in. And then to really make it look like a night scene, I'm going to use black soot. Oops, grabbed the wrong one there. Okay, this is the black soot. Now it's really starting to look spooky. Okay, I think I like it like that. So my paper is very wet right now, so what I'm going to do is let it dry. Got my lids all mixed up here. We're going to let that dry. Pop off my little mask there. And what I can do is take this part of my stencil and I could do some blending on the inside if I wanted. But you know what? I just saw a couple cool videos. I saw a cool video from Amy R where she sprayed some water and the runoff went into the moon and it looked really cool, really spooky. So I might just try that and see what I get. So let me grab my sprayer. Gonna make sure my images are covered up over here. And I'm gonna tilt it and just spray. Let's see how this is gonna spray out. So my nozzle is kind of strong, so let's see. I'm just gonna let it run across there. Well, of course mine's not coming out like hers did, but still, that's gonna look cool. Let me just do some splatters, pick up the excess, so it looks sort of neat there. So let me let that sit on there for a little bit and then I'll blob it up. And I'm going to add a ground to this. Okay, I think I'll let it dry and then I might go back in and do a little bit of ink blending where it kind of faded off. Now I just cut out a little hill with a CC Designs grass dye here, and that's going to cover the bottom, and it's a little ground for the little witch to stand on. So I can have, let's see which one goes better with this background. I think this one stands out better from the background, so I'm going to use her. And then we'll just have her stand. I'm going to trim this out with one of my rectangle dies so it could fit nicely on an A2 size card. So I have my piece all trimmed out. I'm going to use the sentiment, "You're Wicked Awesome" from the Not Too Shabby Happy Halloween set. I'm going to use the VersaFine Claire for my sentiments. Okay, I really like that. So now I'm going to put this on an A2 card size base, and then I'll probably pop up the image, and then we'll do some little embellishing. So I think I'll add some sequins for a little sparkle on this card. I got these cute little bottles from my friend Nolga. These pretty little stars. So I think I'll try that. And then these look like they would pick up the color really nicely. And this glue does dry clear, so I'm not worried about how it looks right now, because it will dry clear. Let's see if I can pick that up. Just move them into the glue. Okay, we'll let that dry and see how that looks. So that will complete my card today. I hope you guys enjoyed the quick little card. And I will have the stamp linked down below. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for stopping by, guys.